go over there and stay and food and everything. And they're expecting me to, you know, if I don't get hired on with operations.
Rosemary. Rosemary. Hey.
Pretty cool.
Hey. Come here.
So it's
Come here.
within the year.
This is you. You just started walking really well last weekend. Get out of the way, Tino.
You do really well. It's like, well, he's like,
You can't really tell.
they did an operation.
Get off that mat. It's dirty. Come on. Oh, get up. Get off there. Whoa. Whoa. You got it?
Make $80,000 your first year. And that's the worst.
Ooh. You okay? That darn table. Careful, baby. Watch your head. I'm so proud of you. It only took you 17 months, but you're doing very well. Rosemary. Rosemary. Hey. Show Mama how you can walk. Ask about the movie. Why are you standing on your head? Why don't you ask her about the movie? I told you like 5 times. Whoa, whoa.
No.
Whoa!
Yeah.
What are you doing, huh?
Walking around like a crazy little bird, baby. She's good, isn't she? Whoa. She just hit her head on the table several times. That was very nice. She's so cute. She looks so cute walking around. You're a funny little walker. Whoa! Whoa! There's your balloon. Elbow! You goofy kid. You're so silly.